Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work with Linux terminal. I'm going to show you some of the commands that you can use to get yourself compatible with the Linux terminal. I'm using Ubuntu Linux here. If you are using any other distro and which has a bash shell, then most of these commands will be applicable to your distro too. So let's get started. First thing I want to tell you is, while working with directory, we have to understand the directory structure. It has // so the path of your directory where you want to navigate usually starts with /home/ into some other directory and so on. So it is all about /. So when you want to type the path to directory, remember the /. So let's first see home directory. As you can see, we have a message /home is a directory. Now let's go to that directory /home, cd/home. Now we are inside home directory. Now if we want to see the contents of directory, contents of most of the entire directory structure, then we have to type ls. As you can see, there is directory called Mahesh. We can navigate over there. Now we will type ls. Then you can see bunch of directories. Now let's type cd documents. We are in documents directory. Let's see how to create a directory. For example, if I want to create a directory, then I will type mkdir, make directory, name of the directory demo. Now my directory is created. After that, let's see the content of documents. As you can see, it has a bunch of files and directories. So let's go to demo directory. List the files. There are no files inside this directory, so let's create one. If you want to create a file, then you type touch name of the file, like say demo.txt. okay, and if you want to edit this file, then you can type gedit if you are using GNOME, or you can type nano or vim or any other text editor that you want to use. You can also use text editor from the command line. I will leave it to you to choose the one for yourself. Now let's see what type of the file that we have just created. Let's type file, then type the file name demo. It is text file and it is empty. Now if we want to see the size of this file, then we can type ls-l demo.txt. as you can see, it shows the credentials for that file, who can edit it, which group can edit it, when it was created, timestamp, permission levels, and name of the file. Now you know how to create or delete content inside the file, but what if you want to delete the file itself? So let's type rm name of the file txt, file is deleted. Now if we do ls, there is nothing. Likewise, we can also delete the current directory, but for that we have to come out of the directory. Then we can type .. forward slash dot again, or we can type cd/dash. It will show us the current directory. So if we want to come out, then we will type cd documents. Now we are inside the document directory. We are out of the demo directory. Now if I want to delete the demo directory, rm demo, cannot remove a demo directory. And if we do the ls, then it will show there is demo directory. If we want to remove demo directory, we can do sudo rm demo. We have to type the password. Rm cannot remove demo is a directory. So in order to delete the directory, let's see what manual says about rm. Removes file or directories. Force, we can use force, we can use rm -f is possible to use. So let's quit out of this and type rm-f demo. Still it says cannot remove demo directory. Is a directory. So in order to delete that, we have to check the file permissions. Usually if we are the owner of that, and if the file system allows the owner or super user to delete the directory, then you can use rm. Now let's see what else we can do. Let's first create a file, cd demo. Okay, mkdir demo. Okay, cd demo. Inside that, let's create sample.txt. Now if I want to see the statistic of this file, let's type stat sample.txt. As you can see, it shows me everything about the file: size, blocks, iBlocks, device, inode, accessed, when it was accessed, and many other things. Now let's come to another point, which is searching for files. But before that, let's see if we can use cat for this simple.txt. We cannot use cat. Cat is used to check the content of the file. For example, if I have something inside this txt file, I can use cat to see the contents of the file. You can also use it to check if you have any specific content that you want to search, but you want to do all this document viewing from the terminal. In such case, you can use cat command. Now let's see if we can find files. So let's do cd documents. cd slash let's find something, let's say path has document demo and name, anything starts with txt. Let's see, there is no such file or directory. Why is that? Because we have entered the full path. Let's check. Again it shows the same. So how about this? Find as you can see, it is not showing me any results for that. Now let's come back to find files. Here you can see I have something with, let's say, name and sample. Okay, it is trying to find the file. It is not going to be accessible in folders where there requires a root access. Other than that, it will search for every possible directory from slash. You can limit that if you want to. As you can see, it found out plenty of files with the name sample. If you want to do the specific, then let's type sample.txt and search. We'll go through the same directories again, trying to find the name. Many directories will not be accessible, and possibly it will come to the folder where we have sample.txt, but before that it will go through a lot of files, do the lot of searching and come back to us. For now, let's come to another command, which is printf /033c double quotes and enter. As you can see, it cleared all my terminal. You can use clear, but it will only take you to scroll downwards and you can see your previous commands here. If you don't want to use that, you can simply printf, so that entire terminal will be cleared and no previous commands will be shown. These are some of the simple commands. Sorry if any of the command was not working well for me right now, because I am also a learner like you and I do make mistakes. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.